Hello my fly babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our routines. Second layer is our basic weekly plan. Today is car and purse day. It's also date night. And our third is our final day in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room, whatever room you've chosen for the week. Okay, so here's how we do it. If you're a payroll fly baby or an at-home, it doesn't matter. You're going to get up 30 minutes before the children and do your morning routine. After the morning routine, you're going to put your children through their morning routine. Please don't reinvent the wheel on the morning routine. Go watch one of my videos on how to do the morning routine. Watch the one on my homepage, how to do the FlyLady system for newbies, or watch any of the older videos where I actually go through the morning routine, which would have been our spring videos, okay? All right, so after we've done the morning routine and our children have been through their routine, then we're gonna go directly into a quick clutter check. Now you did a clutter check before bed last night, so probably the only clutter created is gonna be you or the kids getting ready this morning. So we're gonna make sure that we stop doing that. We're gonna complete our processes. You're going to make everyone aware of what they're leaving behind and that they are required to pick it up, including you, Missy. Okay, next we're gonna go to our at-home fly babies. And at-home fly babies, you're gonna go straight to your laundry and paper routines, and after that, we're gonna go straight to the car and the purse. So clean out your car, clean out your purse, quick and easy. If you do it every week, it's not gonna be a big deal. If you remember, the key is when the ignition turns off, you turn on, you pick up everything that you brought into the car, completing your process, and you make sure your passengers do the same, okay? And you don't dump it on the counter. Everyone puts it where those things live. Then after you've done that, you're going to do your zone 3, the final day in the bathroom or the room that you've chosen. By looking at your planner this morning, you'll know what item you're going to do in there. It's either a 15-minute declutter or 10 minutes or less on that one thing that you've chosen for either the bathroom or the other room. Next, we're going to do another clutter check in the afternoon. And then we're going to have dinner later on, and after dinner we're going to have our after dinner routine, which is a family affair, everyone choosing to participate or choosing a consequence, which you would instill immediately so that they understand that's really what they've chosen. And you do the work. Here's the thing, when your kids choose not to do something, you have to do the work. Somebody has to do it, so you're going to do it. And they're going to have a consequence, and it has to be a big enough consequence that they mind so that next time they'll do the work. That's how you teach them. Okay, so after dinner routine, another clutter check before the before bed routine, then the before bed routines for the children first and then for you. Unless you're exhausted, you can do yours first. If you don't know what the before bed routine is, you can watch any of the videos from last week where I was in great detail for the probably last 2 months on how to do the before bed routine. Or you can watch again the how to do the FlyLady system for newbies on my homepage. Okay, don't forget to check your planner before you go to bed at night, okay? If you're a payroll fly baby, again, it's routines, clutter check, go to work. While you're at work, you have 2 breaks and a lunch, hopefully. You're going to think about that weekly home blessing hour. It's the last day of it, so it's the last article of things, or last item of things last process. I don't know, you've got 6 steps. It's the last step, so that the person that you're delegating to is going to get a call to remind them, don't forget, today is the day that you mop the kitchen and the bathrooms, or whatever you've saved for last. And then you're going to go clean out your car and your purse at work. You can do that. Just get those Walmart baggies that you keep in your drawer, and you can go do that. Then on your final break, you're going to call, or right before you leave work, call and remind whomever you've delegated that weekly home blessing item to do it, because you're coming home. When you come home, you're going to do a quick clutter check. Don't be overwhelmed. You can do this. And then you're going to inspect what you expect on that weekly home blessing hour item. If the person has chosen not to do it, again, we're going to implement the consequence right away. But more than likely, they will have done it, and you're going to get the opportunity to praise your child, which is such a fun thing to do. And then we're going to put our laundry on and go through our paper if you still have paper. Make dinner. While it's simmering, you're going to work on zone 3, the one item that you have saved to do for the end of the week for zone 3, or you may have to add the weekly home blessing hour item as well, because you have no one to delegate to, or somebody chose not to do it, so it has to be done. So at the most 20 minutes, maybe 25 if you have to declutter in that zone instead of clean, okay? And then after dinner, we're going to have our after dinner routine. Again, a family affair, everyone helping. Another clutter check before the before bed routine, then the before bed routine for the children, the before bed routine for you, including looking at your planner. And it's Friday, I forgot to say this, it's Friday for everybody. So that means it's date night. So on your before bed routine, you're gonna do like a mini one, which is more of a date prep before bed. It's not really before bed, it's before date. So do your little date prep, get yourself ready, get out the door or into the living room with your husband, whatever it is for your date. And then when you come home, you're still gonna do that final step of taking your makeup off, washing your face, putting on your moisturizer, maybe taking your shower. You've already laid out your clothes because you did everything else in the before bed routine, just not that part. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Always remember that you are beautiful.